Hi there, this video shows you how to take Saddleback's individual health assessment. We believe that God created us to live out the 5 purposes, and this assessment will help you evaluate where you are at each of those areas. Here is how to take the assessment. First, go to saddleback.com. Then click the circular icon in the top right corner. If you are not logged into your Saddleback account, do so now. Once you've clicked this icon, press View Profile from the drop-down menu. Scroll down a little bit and you'll see on the left-hand side there's a menu. Click Health Assessment. Then click Take Spiritual Health Survey. From here, click the appropriate value that best describes how you identify with each of the statements. After you've finished your assessment, in the Health Assessment tab on your profile, you'll be able to see your results in a graph form, and you'll be able to see a box that says View Planner, which will allow you to look at some personalized next steps that will help you grow in the areas that you can improve in based on your assessment results. If you scroll down, you'll see the title Friends Assessments. If you share this link here under the copy button, you can ask your friends to take the spiritual health assessment for you. This is a great way to get some other perspectives on your health. You can keep the names of the friends who take it anonymous as well here.